This magnificent Georgian country house is for sale. Located in Droitwich, Worcestershire, England, it offers 12 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Dating from the early 18th century, this house offers more than 29,000 square feet of palatial accommodation. Set within approximately 49.66 acres of landscaped parkland, the estate offers extensive privacy, open space, and far-reaching views across the surrounding countryside. The asking price of this magnificent Georgian country house is £13,500,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.